Hi boys and girls, today we're going to do number 5, so take out your number worksheet, set 2. Alright, to make a number 5, we're going to first practice a short line down. So you're going to start at the top line and make a short line down to the middle line. That is for 5, that's how we start out. So right here it's showing us 5 frogs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the word 5, F-I-V-E. To make the number 5, you start at the top line. You make a short line down to the middle line. And then you make a rainbow curve around the writing line. Around on the writing line. And put your finger up. And then go to the top line and make it easy across. All right, Miss K will do it one more time. Start at the top line. Make a short line down to the middle line, and then make a rainbow curve around onto the writing line. Then pick up your finger and go to the top line and make an easy across line. So now on these lines, you're going to practice your number 5. Again, Miss K will show you how. We're going to first practice a short line down. Start at the top line, short line down to the middle line. Now we're going to start our number 5. Start at the top line, short line down, make a rainbow curve around, pick up, go to the top, and easy across. So you're going to continue number 5 on this line. And then the next 2 lines are practice lines. We're going to practice 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2 lines of practicing. On the next page, you are going to count all the objects in the squares and write the numbers on the lines. Thank you.